Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm coming with second topic that is very interesting topic. So like in this session, we are going to understand the difference between and also, and second function is like or also. So what is the difference between these two? Okay, so normally people are every time people are going to use a and. What is the meaning of that? What is the difference between and also? So what is the best practice? Okay, so in this session we are going to understand that things. Okay, so suppose there is one scenario, okay, like suppose I want to check the condition if 5 is less than 3, and my second condition is 7 is greater than 3. So I have two condition, I need to check the two condition. What is that condition? So first of all I need to check this condition. If it is true, then I need to move toward the second condition. Okay, so that is a function of and. What does it? It is going to both, it is going to check the condition, both condition. If both condition is true, then main result is true, correct? So but into this condition, so we have a two condition, correct? So even so 5 is less than 3, correct, it is a false, correct? So it is a false. Then even if first condition is false, my bot is going to check the second condition. That's a no need, correct? That's a no need because my first condition already false. So my what does it? My and function, it is going to check the both condition. Even my first condition is false, and that's a no need of that, correct? So what does it? It is going to execute the all condition expression, or all condition or a conditional expression. It is going to check the all condition, even first condition is false, correct? So that is a use of and. But instead of that and, I'm going to use a and also. What does it? Instead of that and, I'm going to use a and also. 5 is less than 3, and also, like what is the second condition? 7 is greater than 3. So using this and also, what happened? My bot is going to check the first condition. Yeah, 5 is less than 3. Is it correct? If it is true, then and then my bot is going to jump for a second condition. If first condition is false, then my bot is not going to check the second condition. So that's why what happened here? So that purpose, that's why my execution time it is going to save. Okay, so my execution memory it is going to save. So that is one of the advantage of this and also, and also. Okay, so best practice we need to use a and also. Why? Because of this, because even my first condition is false, so that's why it is not going to jump for a second condition. If first condition true, then and then it will jump for a second condition, correct? So what does it here? So execute execute, or it will not check the second condition or all condition if first condition is false. First condition is false. So that is the use of and also, correct? So that's why we can save the execution time, execution memory. So that is the use of and also. If first condition is false, my and also is not going to check the second condition. But and even first condition is false, it is going to check the second condition, and that is a not required. Okay, so second is or also. Suppose suppose like suppose I want to check the condition 5 is greater than 3, or 7 is less than 5. What is this condition, guys? So my first condition, yeah, 5 is greater than 3. Is it true? Yes. Is it true? It's a true. But so here I'm going to use the or function. But or function, it will work both. condition, it is going to execute all condition. Even my first condition is true, my condition is satisfied, my first condition is true, I don't need to check the second condition, and that's a not required. If my first condition is false, then and then I require to check the second condition, but my already condition is satisfied, then I don't need to move to the second condition, correct? But or it is going to execute the all condition. Okay, it is going to, it is it will execute all condition, even first condition is true, correct? Instead of that or, I'm going to use a or else. Okay, so instead of that or, I'm going to use a or else. Okay, so like suppose like 5 is greater than 3, and or else. Okay, or else, like 7 is less than 5. Okay, what happen here, it is going to check the first condition, my or else it is going to check the my bot is going to check the first condition. Yeah, first condition is it true? Yeah, it's a fine, my my condition is satisfied, I don't need to check jump for a second condition, correct? If first condition is true, my condition is satisfied, my bot is not going to check the second condition. That is a use of or else. So that's why we can save the execution time, execution means buffer memory. So that is a use of this or else. Okay, so best practice, we need to implement this or else. What does it? It will not execute the second expression or second condition if first condition is true. So that is the use of or else. Okay, so and also and or else, this is the difference between and also, and or also. So thanks for the watching this video, guys. Okay, so this is the basic things which is required whenever you are going to implement the link query, writing the link query. So these are the basic things we need to implement this thing into the query. So that's why I'm going to take this small concept first of all, and then I'm going to start the link queries. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Definitely you will get the second video. Okay, so thanks.